Here I have TCL Tab 10, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, of course. Tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find mirror camera. So you can switch this feature just like this, but let me take one photo with this feature enabled and another one with it disabled so you can see the difference. And here you have, on this side we have lightning on the left side, and on this photo we have it on the right side, because these photos are mirrored actually. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.